Peace and harmony, family. So today I'm going to be just giving y'all a divine message at this time, because a lot has been going on in the spiritual realm, and especially regarding to love and unions, and there's been a lot of deaths. So it's someone from a past, this is given a reconciliation or just a past lover, but somebody had to go into themselves, and they really started to take action with their healing, take action with who they are, or really wanted to find out truly who they are. And they had to go within their own darkness to find the light within themselves. So because they did that, so many people are going to be reuniting with their soulmates, because I do feel like with this separation right here, I don't know, but this little separation right here is I don't know, it's making me think that there was no communication at one point, that there was some disconnect because someone was growing and the other person was kind of in this stagnant energy. But the one that was in the stagnant energy, they're no longer in that stagnant mindset. They actually had a bunch of ego deaths, spiritual deaths. They had a lot of things removed out of their energy. Even if they're still, it may be they're physically, spiritually and mentally, they just haven't been the same without you present. So this keeps giving me ego death. So a lot of people have and it's giving a lot of masculine energy. So, and that's why I say in my video, my videos a couple days ago, or not a couple days ago, but my last two videos, when I said the rise of the Black Messiah, or the rise of the Black male, is happening because a lot of Black men especially are having these ego deaths, and they're about to start seeing their family dynamics. And because of that, like I said, divine is literally upgrading everybody right now. So the men at this time are being upgraded, and because they're being upgraded, they're gonna come into union with their soulmate. And a lot of them have already met their soulmate, but they needed to, well, I ain't even gonna say just the men, but the men, that union needed to be separated in order to come back into balance, into my eye, because it's so much that's going on, and we need those family dynamics to be shown. And there's going to be a heavy presence on social media. I don't know why that's coming up to me. But there's going to be a heavy presence on social media with a lot of melanated couples or Black couples, just showing people a different type of love. A lot of people are going to be, the narrative is going to be changed. That's what it is. Okay. The narrative is going to be changed. And this reading is, I guess you could say it's a love reading, but it's also about, the bigger picture, divine. And this person that needed to go and find themselves, they could not and would not stop thinking about you the entire way. Like that, when they experienced this ego death, it's because they were trying to find ways to fill that empty void. Okay, they were whether that was having sex, whether that was talking to other people, they were trying to fill this shit. I can't, it's a word that's kind of trying to like come, but it has not come. It's like on the tip of my tongue. But they were just trying to it's like right there. They were trying to replace you, but they were overindulging in things that was not pleasurable, whether that was sexually, mentally. They weren't stimulated because of you. They would not get you. Like, even if they tried to talk to somebody else, right? It just, you left a mark on them, honey. And they just wasn't, you know, people weren't, they weren't fulfilling. They just weren't appeasing to his appetite or their appetite. Look at that. And he was moving fast, baby. He was moving fast, honey. Look, he had hella options. Hella options. But could none of them, look at that. Look at that. I can't make this shit up. Could none of them compare to you? He had all these options. She had all these options. Whoever, I'm going to say men, for the simple fact that it's giving, whenever I think about it, it's just giving me masculine energy. But, yeah, and look at this. Ace of fucking Cups. My laptop out on the way. Move. Shit. Look at that. Ace of Cups. I can't make this shit up. Y'all look at my yoga mat. Why my daughter be peeling this shit off? I caught her peeling this off. I said, you're about to buy me another one. So whatever $5 you got, buy me another one. But anywho, yeah. And this person is coming back just completely different. Look, and even just the placement, like he was chasing all of the wrong things, or he or she, it's he or she, but I'm gonna say he because again it's giving masculine, because our masculine men are waking up to a different version of themselves, and they're really going to be more disciplined and more emotionally intact with themselves. So I'm gonna say masculine men, okay? But you look, just even the placement with him and a horse and looking at her, like, look at that, looking at his trophy. Like, yeah, I can't do this shit. That's what he said. That's what he said. In this union, I'm seeing will go towards a real commitment and offering like commitment, like marriage. If not marriage, I see baby. I see a baby. Oh Lord, I see a baby. Oh God. It's okay because your girl is becoming a doula. So if you need help, I'm your girl. But anywho, yeah, but that's all I see, and it's so beautiful. So, and you can expect this, even if this person does come to you during this winter season. Right now is not the best time to overindulge with that person, because they still have a little growing to do, and some experiences to feel, or some experience to go through. But come springtime, summertime, expect things to, you know, get a little more intimate or get a little more closer. Expect dates, expect you know, just really getting to relearn each other is what I'm hearing. So with that being said, that's all I got for y'all. Oh, this is so beautiful. That man was out here missing you, honey, and he was so prideful, child. Look at it, just prideful, honey. But yes, that's all I have for y'all. If this resonated, please leave a rose in the comment section. Let me know, and have a blessed and beautiful day.